Most truck buyers overpay for newer Silverados while ignoring older models that are just as capable. These overlooked trucks can cost thousands less, but still deliver reliability, power, and real work capability. This list breaks down 7 Silverado models and configurations that are secretly the best value buys on the market. Kicking off the countdown is the original GMT 800 Silverado from 1999 to 2002, a truck that almost always slips under the radar, especially for buyers on a tight budget. These early models, often priced well under $5,000, deliver full-size power and proven reliability without the sticker shock of newer generations. Take Jason, for example. He picked up a 2001 Silverado 1500 with the 4.8-liter Vortec V8 for just $3,800. The odometer read 185,000 miles, but the engine ran smooth, and the frame passed the all-important rust test with no soft spots on the rear rails, no flaking under the cab. The secret here is mechanical simplicity. The 4.8 and 5.3 Vortec engines used in these years are known for crossing 200,000 miles with routine oil changes. Parts are cheap, and just about every independent shop knows how to keep them running. The GMT 800's frame and suspension are nearly identical across all trims, so a base work truck is just as tough underneath as a higher-end LT. That means you can swap parts between years, and even the most basic model can haul, tow, and handle daily abuse. Of course, these trucks are not perfect. Rust is the first thing to check, especially in northern states. Push along the rocker panels and rear frame rails. Any give or flaking means walk away. Some early 5.3 V8 engines developed lifter noise after 150,000 miles, but a cold start and a careful listen will tell you if you are getting into trouble. For buyers willing to do a little homework and prioritize condition over cosmetics, the 1999 to 2002 Silverado is the ultimate low-cost entry into full-size truck ownership. From 2003 to 2006, the Silverado got its so-called cat-eye facelift, a sharp, modern look that suddenly pushed prices up a notch. These trucks now land in the mid-$6,000 range for clean, mid-mileage examples, making them a noticeable step above the earlier GMT 800s. But style isn't the only thing buyers get with these years. Under the hood, most 5.3-liter V8 engines from this era came with active fuel management, AFM, a system meant to boost gas mileage by shutting down half the cylinders when cruising. The catch: AFM lifters are known for developing a ticking noise, especially as trucks pass the 120,000-mile mark. If you're shopping these years, a cold start is your best friend. Listen closely for any tapping or rattling from the engine bay before things warm up. Trucks with a quiet idle and a stack of oil change receipts are still capable of running well past 200,000 miles. The cat-eye models also benefit from strong aftermarket support, so parts and repairs stay affordable. For buyers who want a newer look, without jumping into the next generation or paying new truck money, these 2003 to 2006 Silverados offer a sweet spot. Just don't skip that cold start test and be ready to budget for an AFM lifter job if you hear trouble. A surprising value play hides in plain sight: the 2007 Silverado Classic. This is not the new generation truck most people picture when they hear 2007 Silverado. Instead, it is a carryover of the trusted GMT 800 platform, built for one more year to serve fleet buyers and anyone who wanted proven bones without the price hike of the redesigned GMT 800. The trick is all in the VIN tag. Look for a C10 prefix and check the driver's door sticker. If you see Classic, you are looking at a GMT 800 under the skin, not the newer frame. That can mean thousands in savings because sellers and buyers often confuse the two. Real-world prices back this up. The median for a clean, mid-mileage 2007 Silverado Classic sits around $7,200 nationwide. That is a full $1,500 to $2,000 less than a comparable GMT 900, even though the Classic runs the same 5.3-liter Vortec or In some heavy-duty trims, the bulletproof 6.0-liter V8 paired with the 4L80E transmission. For buyers who want old-school reliability, the Classic is a gold mine. No complex electronics, no new active fuel management issues, and parts interchange with earlier 1999 to 2006 trucks. Mechanics love these for their simplicity and parts availability. As one mobile mechanic puts it, that VN tells you it is a classic, not a redesign. You just saved yourself a bundle. Spotting the right VN and knowing what you are getting means you can lock in a dependable workhorse, avoid the cost jump of the redesign, and sidestep the early issues that hit the new platform. For budget-focused buyers, the 2007 Silverado Classic is proof that doing your homework pays off. The 2007 to 2013 GMT 900. Silverado sits squarely in the middle of the value curve, and for good reason. Trucks from this era bring a smoother ride, modern interiors, and strong V8 options, yet prices still hover around $9,800 for a solid mid-mileage example. But there is a catch that keeps many buyers wary: oil consumption on the 5.3-liter Vortec with active fuel management. It is not just internet rumor. GM's own service bulletin 0915C, issued in September 2009, spells out the problem. Some of these engines can burn more than half a quart of oil every 1,000 miles, especially as mileage climbs past 100,000. The telltale sign is a low dipstick reading between oil changes, or a ticking sound at idle that does not go away when warm. The good news? There is a simple check that can save you from a headache. Pull the dipstick after a cold start, drive at least 100 miles, then check again. If you lose more than half a quart, you are looking at a truck that either needs the updated oil control valve and lifters or has already had the fix done. Many later GMT 900 models, especially after 2011, came with the revised parts from the factory. Trucks with full service records and proof of the 0915C update are far less likely to develop the dreaded oil burn. For buyers willing to do a quick dipstick test and ask for paperwork, the GMT 900 offers a modern driving experience at a price that has not yet caught up with newer models, and with the right engine, it is a gold mine hiding in plain sight. Vinyl seats, rubber floors, and a no-nonsense dash, these are the calling cards of the Silverado Work Truck, or WT. While most shoppers chase higher trims, the WT quietly undercuts the competition by a solid 7 to 12% on price, even when the mileage and year match up. That discount is not just about missing luxury. It is about fewer gadgets to break, cheaper repairs, and a simpler ownership experience. Maria, who runs a landscaping fleet in Ohio, swears by the WT formula. She picked up 3 2009 Silverados for less than the cost of 2 comparable LT trims, all with basic 4.8-liter V8 engines and manual windows. The savings did not stop at the sale. Maintenance bills came in lower too, since there were no power seat motors or touchscreen glitches to chase down. For buyers who value reliability over bells and whistles, the plain interior of the WT is a badge of honor. If you see a Silverado with vinyl seats and a healthy service record, do not walk past it. That is often where the best deals hide. A thick binder of receipts can do more for a high-mile Silverado than a glossy paint job ever could. Trucks with odometer readings north of 210,000 miles, like the 2011 LT that sold for $7,200 in Indiana, still command strong money when every oil change, brake job, and transmission flush is documented. In today's market, a folder of maintenance records adds real value. Listings with full histories routinely sell for 8 to 12% more than similar trucks with no paperwork, especially in the 150,000 to 250,000 mile range. Buyers know what they are getting into, and sellers can prove the engine has not been neglected. It is a simple scan. Look for consistent dates, shop names, and mileage. Even a high-mileage 5.3 Vortec or Ecotec 3 can keep running well past 300,000 miles if the records show regular care. For budget shoppers, a documented service history is the shortcut to peace of mind and a smart way to stretch every dollar. Early third-generation Silverados, built from 2014 to 2018 on the K2XX platform, bring a rare mix of modern comfort and falling used prices. These trucks ride on a stiffer, corrosion-resistant frame and come standard with the 5.3-liter Ecotec 3 V8, an engine that combines direct injection, variable valve timing, and active fuel management for both power and efficiency. Most buyers find the sweet spot around $17,800 for a 2015 to 2017 model with 60,000 to 80,000 miles. That is a steep drop from new, but you still get features like touchscreen infotainment, a quiet cabin, and real towing muscle. Fuel economy gets a noticeable bump here. Owners report about 16 miles per gallon in the city and 22 miles per gallon on the highway, a 5 to 7% gain over the outgoing Vortec. The main thing to check is the 6-speed automatic transmission. GM's own service bulletin pegs the shudder issue at about 5% of trucks built from 2014 to 2016, but a full fluid exchange with Dexron 6, usually $120 at a shop, solves it in nearly every case. Ignore it, and you are risking a much pricier rebuild down the line. Well-maintained Ecotec 3 trucks regularly cross 250,000 miles, with plenty reaching 300,000. For buyers who want a future-proof V8, a comfortable ride, and a price that still leaves room in the budget, the early K2XX Silverado is the gold mine most shoppers overlook. Right now, overlooked Silverados quietly outwork flashier choices all across America. As used truck prices keep climbing, the real gold lies in honest condition and a good maintenance record, not just a badge or year. Value is hiding in plain sight if you are willing to look. Share your Silverado stories below.